really be a ride to work if it didn't rain at least once during the week. Hey, that's what you guys pay for, right? Welcome to the channel. Pretty sure I'm getting a contact high from following this guy. Paranoia setting in. Oh, well, the bike needed a wash anyway. It is a typical rainy day here in Memphis. 71 degrees, totally cloudy, and rain. Welcome to Memphis. Tire busted open on this railroad track the other day, and the remnants of it are still sitting here 3 days later. I was gonna pick it out of the road yesterday, but you wouldn't believe this, but I was running late to work. Yep, and then I'd get a hold of my tire and I'd have to plug it, and then more people would cry. Well, I look at these profiles of these people that swears you can't plug a tire and was saying, well, I'm an idiot for plugging this tire, and they don't even have videos on their channel, most of them, and the ones that do, they don't have videos of their cars. It's like, you can at least put your freaking, you know, Toyota Celica on there, or your Subaru, or your Hyundai, or whatever you got. Back up your claims a little bit. And don't try to tell me the dealer says you're not supposed to run a plug tire, because they want to sell you a tire. Oh yeah, you needed a tire. Oh, we're running a special now, only $100 to mount your tire. Come on in. Oh, no, you can't bring just the tire in. You got to bring the whole bike in, and we're going to charge you to take it off the bike because, you know, warranties and stuff. That's why I got my own shit. I can do that shit myself. What is up, all my friends and other people that just come to see me? Okay, so I did get the new mount on last night for the GoPro on my helmet. More centered, I think. The video will tell the tale, I guess. Seems like it's more centered. And it's guaranteed not to flop back and forth, I think. Maybe. Possibly. But I can tell you this. I can get to my vents now. There's not something hanging in my nose tickling me because the thing was starting to get frayed. I think we talked about that yesterday, whether it was a spider in my helmet or my wife's hair. Nope, it was, well, once it was a spider. Okay, it's been here before too. But sometimes it is the little piece of string hanging off of the mount for the GoPro base. So it's gone now. Helmet has a cleaner look to it, I think. Yeah, looks clean, all black. I like it. Was not hard to put on. I was gonna make a video of putting it on, but it was like I put some sticky stuff on the back of it that it came with, centered it, pushed it on, and it was like, okay, it's on now. I knew where to put it on from where I had the other one, so that helped a little bit. If you had never put one of these on before or never had a mounted camera, I guess you would need to figure out, put your helmet on, put it on, and move it around and see where you could actually position it on the helmet. The only reason I have it up a little higher, just where I can see the camera come on and make sure it's on. Because before I had this, I had one that was really low, and I had to look in the mirror to see if the light was blinking because I couldn't see it. With this one, with this extra added piece for the quick connect, I can actually see the light blinking and see the camera come on, so I know it's on. And if there's error, I know it immediately. Even if the red light's blinking, if there's error, it's gonna say error. Okay, beside the point, but either way, yes, this is, I like having this mount up where I can see it. And I like the new mount. And I think it gives me more room in the front here where I can actually get behind it and turn my vents on and off. One thing I do have to figure out for this one is, without the strap, I had the microphone mounted with the other strap. So I have to figure out now how to mount the inside. I was going to get a piece of Velcro, double-sided Velcro, and Velcro it on the inside. I forgot about it last night. So it's easy enough probably to get some zip ties at work. cut the zip ties creatively where they don't stab me in the face. I think that'll work. Alright, yeah, I'm sure if this video is still going on, I'm actually editing a video right now, and it has I had a video that I was going to make of the Viking bags for the Harley. The Viking bags, literally, okay, here's what happened. I had Viking bags on a gunner before, and they were not hard to put on at all. It took me about 2 hours, get everything mounted, find the right spacers. This one, not so much. I'm gonna attribute it to how hard it is to put shit on and off of the Harley, because well, that's interesting. I'm not sure what that was. This is gonna be interesting. Well, not sure exactly what that was. I do believe somebody's messing with the truck. I think that's what's going on over there. That's not an easy game to win. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose that game every time. You know what? I forgot what I was talking about. I mean, seriously. I thought we were way past all this rain business, early spring garbage. Makes for a pretty night though. And window goes up. The shield goes down. For all you curious lookies, I have tried Rain-X. Doesn't work. Bad thing about rain here is you kind of lose the stripes in the road when it rains. It's almost like snow. Just kind of make your own lane, and hopefully you don't run headlong into another vehicle. Do believe there's been some boo-boos. Quite extensive boo-boo by the looks of it. Hey, look, low gas. Grass, not high on my list of things to be afraid of. Gas stations in the rain, that's pretty high. So I gotta park right on top of somebody else's oily mess. Now that's a hazard. Well, this is an interesting, so I usually don't go to work this way, but for some reason TomTom is telling me to go this way today. And just on the idea that she's really never wrong, I'll go this way. Yeah, my TomTom's a girl. Her real name's Tina. I call her Tom because she's kind of a tomboy. Does that fit? All right. So hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I am doing the Ricky Bobber challenge, the shout out challenge. Take a rider, another YouTuber, another vlogger that you look up to, enjoy spending time with, enjoy watching their videos, and they always entertain you. I have picked someone who is bigger in the moto vlogging community than me, hangs in higher circles, but he's very down to earth. He refers to us both as the sophomores in the YouTube world because we're just still trying to make our way. I look up to this guy because, well, he's devilishly sexy, can work on his own bikes, is not afraid to ride in the rain, not afraid to get out there and just tear up some road for no reason at all. I'm always up for a challenge, and he's just fun to be around. So I would have liked to have done a ride with this guy today, but seeing that he's over 1,000 miles away, that's kind of hard, and I probably won't see him again until October. And that vlogger is Whiskey Chaser. That's right. So probably everybody who is on my channel is already subscribed to Whiskey Chaser, but if you're not, why not? He's far more entertaining than me. He's a bartender in New York City. He rides a Yamaha boat. He'll ride in the rain. He'll ride in the heat. Pretty much he'll ride in anything. And I look up to him because he's an all-around fun guy. And he's also a Top Gun fan. So I can't, man, how can you say no to that? All right, so that's my shout out to Whiskey Chaser. If you're not subscribed to him, do. If you're not subscribed to me, do. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Then go to his channel, like, comment, subscribe, and do all the things. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Well, you won't be disappointed in him. I make no such promises. Since a lot of my channel is, you never know what you're gonna get. You never know what you're gonna get on my channel. I might be wrenching a bike one day, riding the next day, doing a whiskey review the next day. I like to mix it up.